Water-based fire protection systems layout level 2, 51 sample test questions. NICET says for their level 2 content outline, 2.1 is safety. Questions related to these tasks make up 1 to 7% of the exam. Subheading 2.1.1 Locate information in safety data sheets. What is the equivalent length of a gate valve installed on a 6-inch Schedule 40 steel pipe? Is it A, 10 feet, B, 3 feet, C, 32 feet, or D, 9 feet? The correct answer to answer number 1 is 3 feet. B, 3 feet. Question number 2. Multiple buildings attached by canopies, covered breezeways, common roofs, or a common wall shall be permitted to be supplied by a single fire sprinkler riser. True or false? The answer to question number 2. Multiple buildings attached by canopies, covered breezeways, and common roofs or a common wall shall be permitted to be supplied by a single fire sprinkler riser. A, true. B, false. The correct answer is true. Reference NFPA 2007, Chapter 8.2.5. Question number 3. An important part of project management requires adherence to a schedule. Once important related tasks have been completed, which of the following terms has been achieved? A mile marker. B, a schedule completion deadline. C, a field installation change. Or D, milestone. Answer to question number 3. An important part of project management requires adherence to a schedule. Once important related tasks have been completed, which of the following terms have been achieved? A mile marker. B, a schedule completion deadline. C, a field installation change. Or D, a milestone. The correct answer is D, a milestone. Question number 4. Working plans should contain which of the following? Choose 3. A, name and address of contractor. B, information about backflow preventers. C, location of firewalls. Or D, water supply curve. Answer to question number 4. Working plan should contain which of the following? Choose 3. A, name and address of the contractor. B, information about backflow preventers. C, location of firewalls. D, water supply curve. Solution. The correct answer is name and address of contractor, information about backflow preventers, and location of firewalls. A, B, and C. Reference NFPA 2007, Chapter 22.1.3. Question number 5. Information regarding health, flammability, and reactivity can be found in which portion of a MSDS? A, Section 8 under Exposure Control. B, Section 9 under Important Health, Safety, Environmental Information. C, Section 11 under Acute Toxicity Data. Or D, Section 16 under Hazardous Material Identification System Rating. The answer to question number 5. Information regarding health, flammability and reactivity can be found in which portion of an MSDS? A, Section 8 under Exposure Control, B, Section 9 under Important Health, Safety, and Environmental Information, Section 11 under Acute Toxicity Data, or D, Section 16 under Hazardous Material Identification Safety Ratings. The correct answer is Section 16, D, Material Identification Rating Systems. Question number 6. A light schedule is provided as part of a plan review. Why is this important to the sprinkler installation? A, it identifies potential obstructions to sprinkler discharge. It confirms the ambient lighting is adequate. C, it provides information pertinent to placement of the system riser. D, none of the above. The answer to question number 6. A light schedule is provided as part of a plan review. Why is this important to the sprinkler installation? A, it identifies potential obstructions to sprinkler discharge. It confirms the ambient lighting is adequate. C, it provides information pertinent to placement of the system riser, or D, none of the above. The correct answer is the potential obstructions to sprinkler discharge. A. Question number 7. A 1,200 square foot room requires sprinkler protection. The room consists of non-combustible obstructed construction with members more than 3 feet on center. What is the minimum number of sprinklers required to protect this area? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C, 6, or D, 8? Answer to question number 7. A 1,200 square foot room requires sprinkler protection. The room consists of non-combustible obstructed construction with members more than 3 feet on center. What is the minimum number of sprinklers required to protect this area? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C, 6, D, 8? The correct answer is C, 6. Reference NFPA 13, 2007, Table 8.6.2.2.1a. Question 8. Per NFPA 13R requirements, quick response sprinklers are permitted for use in mechanical closets. The minimum discharge for these sprinklers is which of the following? A, 0.05, B, 0.07, C, 0.10, or D, 0.12. The answer to question 8, per NFPA 13R requirements, quick response sprinklers are permitted for use in mechanical closets. The minimum discharge for these sprinklers is which of the following? 0.05, 0.07, 0.10 gallons per minute per square foot, or D, 0.12 gallons per minute per square foot. The correct answer is 0.10, or C. Reference NFPA 13R 2007 edition, Chapter 6.7.7.1.4. Question number 9. The commodity classification for alcoholic beverages up to 20% alcohol in wood containers is which of the following? A, Class 1, B, Class 2, C, Class 3, or D, Class 4. The answer to question number 9. The commodity classification for alcoholic beverages up to 20% alcohol in wood containers is which of the following? A, Class 1, B, Class 2, C, Class 3, or D, Class 4. The correct answer is B, Class 2. Reference NFPA 13, 2007, Table A.5.6.3.2. Question number 10. The minimum operating pressure for any sprinkler in a residential sprinkler system is which of the following? A, 5 psi, B, 7 psi, C, 10 psi, or D, 15 psi. The answer to question number 10. The minimum operating pressure for any sprinkler in a residential sprinkler system is which of the following? A, 5 psi, B, 7 psi, C, 10 psi, or D, 15 psi. The correct answer is B, 7 psi. Reference NFPA 13R 2007, Chapter 6.8.1.4. Question number 11. This occupancy is defined as having combustibility of contents ranging from moderate to high, where stockpiles of contents with moderate rates of heat release do not exceed 12 feet and stockpiles of contents with high release rates do not exceed 8 feet. Is it A, light hazard, B, ordinary hazard group 1, C, ordinary hazard group 2, or D, extra hazard group 1? The answer for question 11. This occupancy is defined as having combustibility of contents ranging from moderate to high, where stockpiles of contents with moderate rates of heat release do not exceed 12 feet and stockpiles of contents with high release rates do not exceed 8 feet. Is it A, light hazard, B, ordinary hazard group 1, C, ordinary hazard group 2, or D, ordinary hazard group 1? Solution to number 11. The correct answer is ordinary hazard group 2, or C. Reference NFPA 13, 2007, Chapter 5.3.2. Question 12. Question 12. When quick response sprinklers are used in a dwelling unit for a NFPA 13R occupancy, what is the minimum distance area requirement to be maintained over the entire dwelling unit? Is it A, 0.05, B, 0.07, C, 0.10, or D, 0.12 gallons per minute over the square footage? Answer to question number 12. When quick response sprinklers are used in a dwelling unit for an NFPA 13R occupancy, what is the minimum distance area requirements to be maintained over the entire dwelling unit? Is it A, 0.05, B, 0.07, C, 0.10, or D, 0.10? The correct answer is 0.10 GPMs over the square footage, or C. The answer to question 12. When quick response sprinklers are used in a dwelling unit for a NFPA 13R occupancy, what is the minimum distance over the area requirement to be maintained over the entire dwelling unit? Is it A, 0.05, B, 0.07, C, 0.10, or D, 0.12. The correct answer is C, 0.10. Reference NFPA 13R 2007 edition, Chapter 6.7.7.1.3. Question 13. You are conducting a survey of the answer to question number 13. You are conducting a survey of an operating textile manufacturing facility which contains 2 overhead doors. Which of the following information is pertinent as a result of the survey? Is it A, sprinkler coverage above the door, B, sprinkler coverage below the door, sprinkler coverage surrounding the door, or D, none of the above? The correct answer is coverage below the door, B. Question 14. A water flow switch is a required component for a wet pipe sprinkler system. Is it A, true, or B, false? The answer to question number 14. A water flow switch is a required component for a wet pipe sprinkler system. Is it A, true, B, false? The correct answer is B, false. You can use a water motor gong. Question 15. Hose connections shall not be permitted to be located at the main floor landing and exit stairways unless approved by the AHJ. A is true, B is false. Answer 15. Hose connections shall not be permitted to be located at the main floor landings and exit stairways unless approved by the AHJ. A, true, B, false. The correct answer is A, true. Reference NFPA 14, 2007, Chapter 7.3.2.1. Question 16. You are designing a sprinkler system for a building located in an area that requires sway bracing. Which of the following statements is correct regarding installation of the flexible couplings? Choose 2. A. The flexible coupling shall be installed within 18 inches of the building expansion joints. B. The flexible coupling shall be installed above and below any intermediate points of support for a riser or other vertical pipe. C. Flexible coupling shall be installed on both sides of concrete or masonry walls within 1 foot of the wall surface. Or D. The flexible coupling shall be installed within 18 inches of the top and bottom of all risers. The answer to question 16. You are designing a sprinkler system for a building located in an area that requires sway bracing. Which of the following statements is correct regarding installation of the flexible couplings? Choose 2. A. The flexible coupling shall be installed within 18 inches of the building expansion joints. B. The flexible coupling shall be installed above and below any intermediate points of support for a riser or other vertical pipe. C. The flexible coupling shall be installed on both sides of concrete or masonry walls within 1 foot of the wall surface. D. The flexible coupling shall be installed within 18 inches of the top and bottom of all risers. The correct answer is the flexible coupling shall be installed above and below the intermediate points of support for a riser or other vertical pipe and on both sides of concrete or masonry walls within 1 foot of the wall surface. Reference NFPA 13, Chapter 9.3.2.3. Question 17. Which of the following valves is designed to relieve excess flow below pump capacity at a set pump pressure? Is it A, low suction throttling valve, B, unloader valve, C, dump valve, or D, pressure control valve? The answer to question number 17. Which of the following valves is designed to relieve excess flow below pump capacity at set pump pressure? Is it A, low suction throttling valve, B, unloader valve, C, dump valve, or D, pressure control valve? The correct answer is B, unloader valve. Reference NFPA 2007, Chapter 3.3.54.6. Question 18. A trapeze hanger has an available section modulus of 0.25. Which of the following pipes can be selected for the trapeze? Inch and a quarter schedule 10, inch and a quarter schedule 40. B, inch and a quarter schedule 10 and inch and a half schedule 40. C, inch and a half schedule 10 and inch and a quarter schedule 40. Or D, inch and a half schedule 10 and inch and a half schedule 40. Answer to question number 18. A trapeze hanger has an available section modulus of 0.25. Which of the following pipes can be selected by the trapeze? A, inch and a quarter schedule 10 and inch and a quarter schedule 40. B, inch and a quarter schedule 10, inch and a half schedule 40. C, inch and a half schedule 10 and inch and a quarter schedule 40. Or D, inch and a half schedule 10 and inch and a half schedule 40. The correct answer is D, inch and a half schedule 10 and inch and a half schedule 40. Reference NFPA 13, 2007, Table 9.1.1.6.1. Question 19. Which of the following statements is correct when referring to a hydraulically calculated system? A, there are no maximum area limitations. B, the pipes are larger than when using a pipe schedule system. C, the system is limited by pressure and quantity of the water supply. Or D, water distribution accuracy is limited. The answer to question 19. Which of the following statements is correct when referring to a hydraulically calculated system? A, there are no maximum area limitations. B, the pipes are larger than a pipe schedule system. C, the system is limited by pressure and the quantity of the water supply. D, the water distribution accuracy is limited. The correct answer is C. The system is limited by pressure and the quantity of the water supply. Question 20. The size requirements for the suction and discharge pipe of a fire pump with a rating of 1,250 gallons per minute are which of the following? A, 6 inches and 6 inches, 8 inches and 6 inches, C, 8 inches and 8 inches, or D, 5 inches and 5 inches. The answer to question 20 is the size requirements for the suction and discharge pipe of a fire pump with a rating of 1,250 gallons per minute are which of the following? A, 6 and 6, B, 8 and 6, C, 8 inches and 8 inches, or D, 5 inches and 5 inches. The correct answer is C, 8 inches and 8 inches. Reference NFPA 20, 2007 edition, Table 5.25A.